Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akanksha and you're watching my channel Absolutely AK. So guys, today's video is all about getting to know me, or it's also called the Get to Know Me tag. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you're notified for the video every time I upload one. So guys, I don't want to waste any more time and I just want to dive into getting to know me. And so let's take the questions and let's try answering them, alright? Okay, so the first one, what's your name? Obviously, I think everyone who's coming on this channel and who's subscribed to this channel already knows what's my name. So my name is Akanksha Sachin Nair. Okay, second question, what's your age? I don't think I should be giving out this answer directly. So why not convert this into a puzzle type thing, and why not put it in the comment box as to what do you all think my age is. First of all, what do you think? What is my age? And second of all, the hint is that in 2006, I was 15 years old. So I think you can do the math that in 2020 or 2021, whatever it is, what would be my age? Also, my birthday comes in August. So please give me a good answer. Okay. The next question. Okay, what is this question? Are you married or single? Okay, so I don't think it's a very obvious question. I mean, it's a very obvious answer that I am married. I think all those people who've seen my vlogs already know that I've been going out and celebrating my husband's birthday. My husband's been taking me out and celebrating my birthday. So I think it's very easy to say that I am married, though I don't think I look like I'm married. But take okay. The fourth question, on a scale of 1 to 10, rate your childhood. Okay, so my childhood has actually been very, very fun. Like, I think I've really enjoyed my childhood. So I think on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give an 8 because it was a nice, chirpy, fun childhood. Yes. Next question. Have you been out of country? Oh, I love traveling. So yes, of course, I have been out of the country. So yeah. If yes, where? So because the answer is yes, so I have traveled to Thailand. I've gone to Dubai. Dubai was like the first place that I visited. And I think वो हर इंडियन का होता है, जैसे ही पासपोर्ट मिलता नहीं है कि सब पहले दुबई भागते हैं. तो हाँ, Dubai was the first destination that I went outside India as a country. Then I went to Thailand. Then I went to Singapore. Then I went to the Europe, wherein I traveled a lot of places, one of them being Switzerland. And then I went to the US. I haven't traveled a lot in US. It was a short trip for my honeymoon, but it was amazing. So yeah, so US, and I've been to Bali also. So Bali is also one of the places that I've been, and yeah, that's about it. But given the chance, I would love to travel and get out of this country and go anywhere. So yeah, I love traveling. Do you speak any different languages? I speak mostly Hindi and English. So when I'm talking to my parents, it's always Hindi. When I'm talking to my husband, it's mostly English, and otherwise it's Hinglish. You know what I mean? Like, it's neither Hindi, it's nor English, it's something in between. So yeah, so you can say very clearly that it's English. And apart from that, I do understand Punjabi, but I can't speak in Punjabi fluently. Because of my parents, I know Punjabi, and because of my husband, I have now started picking up or understanding Malayalam, but I definitely can't speak Malayalam. Though I know how to say darling, I know how to say I love you in Malayalam. If you guys wanna check out how to say I love you and darling in Malayalam, please put it in the comment box so that I'll do one video just saying all these beautiful things that I've learned in Malayalam. Okay. Next one, do you have any siblings? Yes, I do have a younger sister and I love her. She's like my backbone. I mean, generally, after getting married, people run to their mothers, like they'll pick up and they'll be like, "Mama, मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, मम्मी मुझे ये करना है, वो करना है." I do that with my mom also, but very naturally, I always call my sister. And even when I'm traveling abroad, it's my sister who I call, and I'll be like, "Arey Archie, you have to sort out my clothes. You have to tell me what I have to wear." She's the one who will approve कि ये पहनो दीदी, नहीं ये ऐसे करो, नहीं वैसे करो. So yeah, I have a sibling. Her name is Archie, and she is younger to me. She's my younger sister, and I love her. Okay, then we have, what's your favorite cuisine? Okay, so I love Chinese. All the people who are my friends, my husband, my family, everyone knows that I am in love with Desi Chinese. I don't want to call it Chinese, I don't want to call it Pan Asian, but I want to call it Desi Chinese. I like the mirch masala wala Chinese. So yeah, so Chinese. But apart from Chinese, like the second thing that I really like is pasta, and that also not red pasta. I hate red pasta. I love white sauce pasta. So if you want to call it Italian, yes, Italian also, but only pasta pizzas I hate. So Chinese, then pasta, and then I like Indian. Okay, I think I'm answering too much. Anyways, the next question is, what do you do for a living? Chalo, finally a question tha aaya, what do you do for a living? So basically, I am a chartered accountant, but I am not a practicing chartered accountant, and a lot of people don't even believe that I'm a chartered accountant because I don't know, I think चश्मे पहनने पड़ते हैं ये बताने के लिए या दिखाने के लिए कि आप एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हो, या फिर वो चपटू लुक लाना पड़ता है ये दिखाने के लिए कि आप एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हो. So I am a chartered accountant, but I'm not practicing a chartered accountant. In my 3 years of articleship only, I realized that boss, chartered accountancy वाला काम शायद मुझे नहीं करना. So what I did is I made use of my qualification and I have gotten into the education sector. I am a professor. Currently I'm teaching with a very big university, and apart from that I'm also taking my private classes and preparing students for their 10th and 12th standard boards. But I'm taking all subjects related to accounts. That's financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting. थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया शायद इस particular video के लिए, but हाँ. So I do this, and apart from that, YouTubing, guys, like, which is why you all are seeing my video. YouTube is what I am doing now, but this is of course my passion and my side hustle. This is not something that I am taking as a full-time. I'm not doing this as a full-time thing. So yeah, so this is what I do, and if you like this, you can always obviously subscribe to my channel, and yes, let's go ahead. So the next question is, where did you meet your husband? So I met my husband as a child playing in the building. I know this sounds really silly, or maybe really cute, I don't know, but what do you think? Should I make a video altogether on how I met my husband, and then what happened, and then what happened, and then how did we land up getting married? If y'all are interested in a video of getting to know like my love life or my dating life, please let me know and put it in the comment box, so that the more the comments, the more I know y'all are interested in that, and I'll definitely make a video of that. So we met in a building, like नीचे छोटे बच्चे खेलते हैं सारे, हम इतने छोटे नहीं थे, but we met as teenagers in a common friends building, and अच्छे friends थे, फिर casual friends थे, फिर best friends हो गए, फिर love start हो गया. Okay, so yeah. Okay, the next question is, what's your favorite movie? Favorite movie. So now the 2 movies that actually come to my mind, actually not 2, 3 movies that come to my mind instantly when I read the question, what's your favorite movie? So the first one being, and this is going to go in the order of eras and like probably my age also. Okay, so from the oldest to the newest. Okay, first I like Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. Oh my god, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai was like love. Okay, like I totally love that movie. I think I have seen it a number of times, and when that movie was released, even I was 8 years old, and Anjali also in that movie was 8 years old. So I just felt like, oh, मैं ही अंजलि हूँ. So anyways, yeah, so kuch kuch hota hai. And then when I had very recently started dating, and it had just been a year or so in dating and all of that, I fell in love with this movie called Jab We Met. I felt like उस movie की गीत मेरे में है, like I felt like it. So yeah, so I was also very talkative, so a lot of people also told me, Ari, you are like this only, yaar. So yeah, so talkative, nothing other than that, yeah, but talkative. Okay, so Jab We Met, and in fact, I chose one of their songs, Jab We Met ka song, and I danced on it also on my wedding. So I loved that movie. The third movie that I really liked, and I like that movie not because I relate to it or I connect with it or anything of that sort, but it's just a very beautiful movie, and that's Love Aajkal. So Saif Ali Khan and Deepika Padukone, amazing movie, amazing. So yeah, so these are my 3 top favorite movies. Next question is, what phone do you have? So currently I have the Samsung S10 Lite. Before that I had the Samsung Galaxy 8 Plus. I really like this phone. I'm going to put the link to it in my description box in case you want to check out that phone. It's really, really good. It's very affordable. The camera is superb. It clicks good pictures. It has a dual SIM, so I think it's amazing. Okay. Yes. Next question. Okay. How tall are you? I don't know why this question. I don't know why people ask me this question. Because maybe I am a little on the thinner side. People think I'm really tall. I am not so tall. I am a very average height girl. So I think I am 5'4" and a half. I might be 5'4", 5'4" and a half. Not less than that, but definitely not more than that also. So 5'4", 5'4" and a half is how tall I am. Okay. Next. Where is the question? Yeah. Do you have any pets? No, I have no pets. As simple as that. No pets. What's your favorite color? My favorite color, all the people who are close to me know it's yellow. Any form of yellow, any shade of yellow. I will just walk into a store and pick everything that's yellow. Yellow flowers, yellow tops, yellow shirts, yellow salwar kameez, yellow. Anything you give me yellow and I will just fall in love with it. So yellow is like my favorite color. Yes. Okay, where's the next one? Do you have children? I don't know why was this question put here. No, I don't have children yet, but I would love to have children. Okay. Next one. What are some of your favorite TV shows? Okay, now I don't have any favorite TV shows, but I do watch a lot of Netflix. So I think I loved Home Edit. I loved Tidying Up with Marie Kondo. These are all the ones where you will get something to learn from. Okay, so the fun ones come now. So I'm currently watching The 100, which is also really interesting. Though I'm not being able to keep up with it because there are like 7 seasons. So yeah, The 100. I really like Jane the Virgin. I don't know, a lot of people haven't even heard of it, but I loved Jane the Virgin. So Jane the Virgin. Then I also really liked Dynasty. So all the people who are thinking of what to watch, Dynasty is also really fun. What else? Okay, so I recently also watched The Instant Hotel. So I think these were some cool TV shows that I've been watching. Nothing favorite in particular, but yeah. Where are you from? So again, it's very simple. I've been born and brought up and studied and married in Mumbai. Everything जो भी किया है आज तक मुंबई में ही किया है. जन्म लेने से अभी तक till today, even my YouTube, everything has happened in Mumbai. I have just traveled abroad to on vacations. I've never studied also outside, and I've never even gone and lived anywhere outside. So yeah, Mumbai. Amchi Mumbai. Then what are your best characteristics? पता नहीं कौन से questions लिखे. Okay, what are your best characteristics? I think my highlight characteristic or feature is my hair. Like y'all can see, it's curly, and please, I know it's a little messed up. It's because I recently got a haircut done. But yeah, so my hair. That's a feature actually. It's not a characteristic. No? Characteristic. What am I? I am a very, 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 very loyal friend. So if someone wants to be my friend, please be my friend because I'm very loyal. So if you become my close friend, I will do or die for you. Some of my girlfriends, I have a very small group of girlfriends, okay, and they all know and they all will vouch for it that, you know, if they come to me and say something to me and they want me and, you know, whatever, be it in their tough times, be it in their good times, I may not be there when, you know, they're having the time of their life, क्योंकि उस टाइम तो किसी को इतनी नहीं पड़ी होती है, but yeah, if it's a difficult time, I am always with them. So I am very, very loyal and I am very, very committed. So committed in the sense not only in relationships, but I am also very committed to whatever responsibility is given to me. So अगर आप मुझे बोल रहे हो कि you know ये काम है, ये particular काम मुझे 2 दिन में करके देना है, yes, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, दिन रात कुछ भी हो जाए, I will make sure that, you know, that work is done. So I am very loyal, I'm very committed, I'm very funny also. I feel like I'm also very funny. I don't know if you all feel it or not, but ठीक है यार, question मेरी तरफ है, what do I feel are my best characteristics? So yeah, so I am funny and you won't believe my husband tells me that he got married to me only for entertainment. Can you believe it? So obviously it's the best characteristic, no? Yeah, so जब husband ने entertainment के लिए शादी किया था, I give a lot of entertainment. Okay, what is your biggest fear? My biggest fear is, so for a very long time, you know, while I was doing CA, my biggest fear became of failure. Like I got so scared that, you know, I'll give my exam and I'll fail. Oh my god, मैं exam देने जा रही हूँ but मैं fail हो जाऊँगी, मैं exam देने जा रही हूँ but मैं fail हो जाऊँगी. So बहुत time के लिए, you know, that fear of failure came in. Of course, I did overcome it and I know now that, you know, I have cleared my CA exams after a lot of difficulty, that I can overcome anything. But still, you know, whenever I take up a new venture or I give up exam or I do anything, somewhere I have the fear of failure. But still I have the confidence that I will overcome it. So yeah, fear of failure, one thing. Another fear as such, I don't think there is any other fear. I am also I also fear getting suffocated. I don't like stuffy areas. I don't like suffocation. I don't like you know, too much band. So yeah, that's it. I mean, I don't have any other fear as such. What's your favorite type of clothing? My favorite type of clothing, I love off-shoulders. I'm not wearing one right now, but I love off-shoulders. I love dresses. I don't, like I told you, मुझे bun बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. So anything which is loose, anything which is free-flowing, anything which is free-flowing, anything that doesn't suffocate me, I love it. So whether it is a dress, whether it is, you know, jeans and top also, but like comfortable for me, breathable, I think I like it. So favorite piece of clothing would be that. But if I had to like really pick up anything, any one particular thing, then I think it would be a dress. Like I think I look my best in dresses, and I think I also love wearing dresses. Yeah. Then, are you high maintenance? What question? Are you high maintenance? Okay, I think this should not be a question directed towards me. It should be a question directed towards my husband. But okay, I am not high maintenance. I am not at all high maintenance. Some people think I might be high maintenance, but no, guys, not at all. I am also happy with you know, roadside food also at times, not always, but at times. And I am not even very brand conscious that I only want to wear brands. So I think I am very, very comfortable to maintain. So I am not at all high maintenance. Okay, are you a dog person or a cat person? I don't have pets, but if I had to keep a pet, then I would be a dog person. I love dogs. A few of my friends also have pets, so you know, I enjoy being with them, but I also know that they come with a lot of responsibility, and that kind of responsibility at the moment in my life I can't take. So yeah, so dog person. And I think dogs are also very loyal and committed. That doesn't mean I'm a dog, but yeah, their characteristics are very similar to mine, and I really love dogs. So yeah, a dog person. Okay, with this I have ended officially the 25 questions which were given to me. But in case you all have any more questions for me, you all are most welcome. All you have to do is write that question in the comment box, and I shall obviously, as and when I get the time, I'm gonna answer it, and I'll be as real as possible. And so guys, I would love to know whether you all are interested in a giveaway, and if you all are interested in a giveaway, what is it that you all would like in a giveaway. Of course, for that you'll have to follow me on my Instagram account, because all the details will of course be put there. So if you have any suggestions related to a giveaway, what is it that you all are looking out for, please do put it in the comment box so that I can plan it and it can come up in any of my future hauls or other videos. Also, I would love to know what is it that you all are really liking on this particular channel, so that I can make more videos of that kind and give you all my best. Till that time, stay home, stay safe. If you like this video, do not forget to like, give me a big like, and also please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified for a video every time I upload.